Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to disassemble and reassemble the 5x5 Rubik Cube. Now, this is the Rubik's brand one. You can tell by the little logo right there. Anyways, I'm just going to get into the tutorial really quickly. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and turn these top layers like this till, they're just like partial, and then bring up, misalign the layers, pop out this edge one. Then keep taking out the pieces till you got this little L, and then just kind of start just if your cube is like really brand new and you just got like a couple of days ago, it's not going to be as easy to disassemble as you think. But when you do get this apart, finally, you may want to lubricate it with heavy-duty silicone. It's really cheap. You can find it almost at any like automotive store, any place that sells like lubricants and stuff, so like Ace Hardware or Walmart or someplace. So keep assembling that. Pretty soon you'll eventually have all the pieces out, and then you'll be able to go on to step 2 of this, which will be in a little bit because I have a little space left on my camera. Yeah, I almost had this disassembled, but I'm taking a while because of the well, this concludes